Big story at this hour. Court finding Lalu's culpability in the IRCTC scam. Lalu is going to be facing criminal misconduct charges and also a cheating charge. IRCTC corruption scam details are of Lalu now intervened. Delhi court has said Lalu did modification in tenders. Prima facie court says Lalu did intervene material modifications in the tender process. The charges are getting pressed now for corruption, cheating and conspiracy against Lalu and against Rabri, his wife. Tejasvi, son and others. It's a big development. Lalu to face criminal misconduct charges at this point in time. Lalu Yadav, as the railway minister, had gone on to tweak the rail tenders, is what the court has now observed. The hearing, which was underway, has found Lalu culpable. Also, the court has said Lalu did some modifications in the tender, essentially saying that he was involved. Lalu intervened in all of this. The charges that Yadav is facing has got to do with criminal misconduct. Cheating charge is what the court has now says. Court has found Lalu Yadav culpable in the IRCTC scam. The big story we're getting in at this, I'm going to go straight across to Shreya, getting in more details on that story. This is a big setback for Lalu Yadav. Take us to the details of Shreya, what the court has found today.
Well, Sneha, big blow to Lalu Prasad Yadav and family in the IRCTC corruption case, as Rouse Avenue Court Special Judge Vishal Gogne has found them guilty of corruption, cheating, conspiracy, criminal conspiracy and misusing of power. So that is something that the court has read out to Lalu Prasad Yadav. They've also said you abused your position as a public servant, influenced the tender, eligibility conditions of the tender and manipulated and conspirated as well as undervalued the prices of the land parcel. So clearly the court has found all of them to be doing this crime. The court also asked Lalu Prasad Yadav if he pleads guilty. He said that he does not plead guilty, but clearly the evidence that was submitted by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the form of tender manipulations, in the form of property that was actually given to the Lalu Prasad Yadav family at a much lesser value than the market rate. All these details have been taken into consideration, and the court has admitted that during the period of 2004 to 2009, when Lalu Prasad Yadav was in the railway ministry, he did abuse his position of power and gave tenders to one hotel named the Sujata Group of Hotels in two different locations, which is Puri and Ranchi. And in this particular matter, the court has found them guilty, and that's the reason the framing of charges have happened. And now, from here onwards, we will definitely be seeing the trial begin. But when it comes to the framing of charges, it's an extremely crucial bit, and clearly this is a huge blow to the Lalu Prasad Yadav family at a time when the matter, at a time the Bihar elections are around the corner.
That's right, Shreya. I was coming to that. You know, the very fact that the elections are just round the corner and this comes as a big setback, obviously just giving so much more teeth to the opposition. Or at this point in time, the government's charge really and their political rivals in the state of Bihar, BJP, JDU, saying that we said so. This is a government, or rather this is a party of corrupt. It's a family of corrupt is what they are going to talk about. The timing of this is going to in fact make things even more difficult for the first family of Bihar, isn't it? Shreya.
Well, absolutely. And this is one matter where we've right now seen framing of charges take place. The second matter, Sneha, is also up for hearing today, which is in the Land for Job case. That is the Enforcement Directorate's investigation. The timeline, if we consider in both the cases, were between the time period of 2004 to 2009. In this particular case, the CBI had filed an FIR in 2017. Then in 2018, the first charge sheet was filed. Subsequently, till 2024, multiple other supplementary charge sheets were taken up in the consideration. Then we saw a very extensive hearing that was done on the part of the Central Bureau of Investigation. They concluded that hearing on March 2025, and now finally in October 13, 2025 is when the framing of charges has concluded.
Big story at this point in time from Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, where Lalu tweaked the railway tenders, is what the Delhi court has said, making him culpable. These are charges that are getting framed against Lalu wife Rabri and Tejasvi Yadav, son Tejasvi Yadav.